this is Lorraine Turnbull and this is the third of the grafting videos. So I'm just going to show you how I'm taping this. So this is grafting tape, which is stretchy and plastic. I'm just going to hold that on now and we are off. So the trick with this is to get as much tension as you can without snapping the tape. And you want to cover the whole of the grafted area. And you'll know you've done it tight enough if you give it a little wiggle and nothing moves. So all the cut edges are now bandaged up with the grafting tape. There we go. And that is us. So that will now sit for about 2 months, and I'll know if it's taken because the buds here on this scion will start to green up. Thank you.